Hi guys, my name is Monse. I'm gonna do just a very quick eyeliner look. I'm currently sick, so I'm sorry my voice sounds like this. And I'll be sniffling a little bit, but yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. And like I said, this is just a very quick video. Hopefully in the near future, you know, I'll make them a little bit more elaborate and actually go more in depth. And if you see little specks of things, I'm sorry, that's just little random dust flying around. But yeah, let's get started then. I'm just gonna do a simple quick look with these Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is the baecae. It has 3 different colors, and they're called Hottie Alert, which is this one right here, Wet T-shirt, and then Banana Blaze right here. Honestly, going into this, I had no idea what I was gonna do. Well, originally I was gonna do a full face, but something came up, so I'm just gonna do a very quick, like I said, eyeliner look. And I don't really know what I'm gonna use, so I think I'm just gonna go for it and we'll see what I come up with. I think I'm gonna use this Hottie Alert one first. It does say to shake them before you use them. I've only used them a couple of times. I have this one and then another set of colors, but I honestly do not remember what the name of the other ones are. I would have to like take a look at them. I don't know if I can do this like this. I might have to just grab a mirror. Sorry, y'all. And do it up close. Yeah, this is gonna work better. Also, I try to put it, right now I'm gonna try to put it just above my crease, because otherwise I have to let it dry. And if I don't, it's just gonna move around. I don't have a steady hand, so we already made some mistakes here. We're just gonna try to fix it. You guys can see how like I just fucked it up right there. And I don't know, I'm sorry, this glare right here was bothering me a little bit. So I don't know, I messed this up, so I'm just gonna like bring it up and just fucking freestyle it. I don't know what I'm doing. So just flow with it, go with it. Oh, I got it on my lid. And that's what I was referring to. It's all good. I'm like giving my eyeliner eyelashes. Because why the fuck not, right? Also, this is not a makeup tutorial. This is just for fun because I don't really know what I'm doing. So just, yeah, bear with me. recreate that on the other eye, but I know I'm covering all of it with my hands. I'm sorry, guys. Alright, this was kind of really hard to do, but I don't know, maybe it's because I don't have any other makeup on at all. Maybe it's just because my hand was not being steady. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this. I don't even remember what it's called. It is called Banana Blaze. Let's add some Banana Blaze to this. Ooh, I really, really like that color. I'm just adding little details in between this other color, because why the hell not? Trying not to mix them though, because that would be a little tragic. Alright, well that was kind of a fail, but yeah, here it is. I'm gonna see if I can get a closer look. I'm just gonna go with it, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do with my lip. I'm just gonna figure it out after I get off the camera.